Welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to learn about how to make flyers on Canva. First, go to your account, tap on Create a Design and search for flyer. They will provide you with a size. Here is 11 into 8.5 inches, so we will go for the landscape flyer. If you want a portrait flyer, then you can use the 8.5 into 11 inches one. Here I'm just creating the land. On the left side, Canva will provide you a lot of free templates that you will be able to use, and it is very easy to use. And if you are a Canva Pro user or Canva Teams user, you will be able to use more of Canva templates, which are amazing and easy to use. As I'm using a normal Canva, so I'm just going for the free templates, and as you can see, these are vibrant in color and the fonts are exactly matching with the theme. Now you can just add elements from the element section. You can add your text, you can add some pictures on the upload section, and after adjusting all the shapes and elements to your flyer, you can just go on to share button and tap on download, and it is very easy to download it as a PNG or JPG version, and JPG is basically best when you are sharing this into your social medias and everything. So you just have to go to share, and that's it. You can also find this same template style and different designs by clicking into the template. Here you can see my template style and they have the brand colors here, and then if you just scroll down, you will be able to find different types of design in the same shades. That's how you easily can download a flyer from Canva. That's it for today. If you like our video, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's it for today. We will see you in the next tutorial.